Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. On today's video guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to participate and qualify to receive the Unich airdrop. Alright, so Unich airdrop is very simple to participate, and they are already on the pre-market. And one of the most interesting thing right here is that it is totally free. It won't cost you anything to participate on their airdrop, and also 50% of the entire token is going to be given to the community as an airdrop. This is only going to be costing you about 5 to 10 minutes of your time for you to participate and position very well for the airdrop. So right now, position very well and make sure you watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part of it so that you can be able to learn and understand all you need to put in place before you can be able to qualify properly for their airdrop. So before we go ahead deeply into the video, please, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel guys, I make videos about cryptocurrency airdrop, and I also help you resolve most of your crypto related problems. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to go ahead and hit that subscription button and also turn on the bell icon on so that whenever I post new video, you will be the first to know about it. Also, you can join our Tone Coin giveaway. We actually give out Tone to our community. If you want to be part of it, simply make sure that you have subscribed and like this video you are watching right now, and also go ahead to share this video. Put your comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we actually pick our winners and announce them on our Telegram. All right, so right now, with that being said, let's now get started properly on this Unich airdrop. All right, so the name of the project is actually Unich, because you might be hearing Unich, you will think I'm talking about how unique the project is, but the name of the project right here is actually called Unich. And looking over here right now, I am on their Twitter page, and of course you can see this is where they actually made a post about their airdrop for the first time, saying that they are actually giving out 500 million Unich, which is equivalent to 50% of the total supply. And right now, joining this airdrop is very easy. To be able to join the airdrop, what you need to do is simply use the link on the video description and follow my instruction right now. So going over here right now to their main homepage on Twitter, you can see right here guys, this is actually called Unich, and over here they are actually a one-stop all over the counter trading platform. That is where you can actually find pre-market and also point market and all that. Everything about over the counter trading is all they specialize on. And right now guys, you stand a chance of earning their airdrop. So the first thing you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and of course copy the link that I've dropped on the video description box. So once you copy the link, you come over here to your browser, you paste it on your browser. Okay, you paste the link right here on your browser, and once you just paste it, you go ahead and of course search for it. This is going to be taking you straight into the website. Let me show you how you can be able to register yourself and be able to, you know, participate on the airdrop, which is very simple and easy. All right, so over here right now, you can see you are required to actually insert your email right here. Okay, you can input your email right here, then you click on this box, you click on sign up. That is if you are creating an account for the first time, but if you have already got an account, you click on sign in to actually log into your account. And once you just put your email, they are going to be requiring you to actually complete this little puzzle right here. Just drag this until it fits completely into this. And after inserting your email, they are going to require you to solve this puzzle. Simply drag it until it fits completely like this, and once it fits, they are going to be sending you an email into your the email address that you actually submitted. So right now, you need to go to your email box and of course get the code that they are going to be sending to you right there. Okay, so right now guys, this is my email box. You can see the email just arrived right now. I need to copy this code immediately, and once I copy this code like this, then I need to head back to the website and of course paste it right there to proceed to the next step. All right, so right now you need to go ahead and long press it right now to actually paste, and right now once you paste it, you need to click on next. All right, and after that, they are going to require you to solve this puzzle again like this, and once you just solve it, your account is going to be created after you put your password that I'm going to be inserting right now. So very quickly, I need to set up my password, and one thing you need to note right here is that your password must contain 8 characters, 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase and 1 number. All right, and right now, once that is done, you go ahead and of course click on confirm. And right now, you are going to be required to solve this puzzle again. Okay, and right now I think we are done. Right now our account has been created right now. All right, so over here guys, this code right here, you can see this is your referral code. Is going to be here automatically. Do not shift it. All right, so right now you go ahead and click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, right now you are going to be taken straight into your account this time. Okay, so over here guys, you can see congratulations, your account has been successfully created. And right now, let's go in and learn how we can be able to claim points. Okay, you click on explore right now, and over here guys, you are going to be taken to your dashboard right here. Okay, looking over here right now, you can see this is where everything works. And over here, guys, you will be given 50 FD points as a welcome bonus. That is if you actually use the invite code to join. You are going to be given 50 points right here. And over here, for you to be able to earn, there are a few simple things that you actually need to do right here. And the first one is for you to actually go ahead and of course follow their Twitter account, join their Discord, join their Telegram, and of course follow them on all these their social media. And as you are following them, you are also getting all these points allotted for it. Okay, well, they have more quests right here, but when you scroll down a little bit, you can see we have tap to earn. This is not actually a tap to earn project, but over here you are required to a kind of reactivate it all the time. For example, when you tap it right now, you can see it will start counting immediately. Okay, so right now, guys, you can see once you just tap it, it will start counting. This is not a tap to end project. Okay, so and after every 24 hours you need to come back right here and tap it again so that it will keep on mining for you every hour. Looking over here right now, you can see I'm actually earning 0.83 FD for every single hour, and right now I need to come and claim it every 24 hours. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see we have other things right here, which is like build your army. Over here you are actually required to actually invite people into this project, and on each person that you invite into this project, you are going to be getting 50 FD. All right, FD is actually the point that you are earning, and the point that you are earning is what's going to be determining your airdrop allocation. All right, so that is the ways that you can actually earn from these projects currently. Okay, and looking over here right now, we have the advent to Unich Universal. For example, this is a kind of their roadmap, and over here right now you can see these are the ways through which they actually plan to execute all their actions. And over here, guys, you can see their airdrop program is coming very soon, and they are also going to be launching their exchange. All right, so it is very, very easy and very, very simple like this, and this is the basic knowledge that you actually need for you to be able to position for the unique airdrop that is coming very, very soon. So if you have any question, you can scroll down a little bit, and over here this is where you can be finding some of the answers to your question. For example, when you click on visit Unich, you are going to be taken to the website where you can see some stuff that's going to be helping you better understand how this whole thing works. Okay, so over here, guys, right now you need to click right here on this trail line. When you click on this trail line, you can see we have a lot of things right here which involve something like changing your password in case you want to change your password. And when you click over here right now on my earning, this is where all your earning is going to be shown. This is just like your dashboard. All right, so you can see over here right now, you can see I have about 50 points here already, and of course this is where your referral link is going to be. And remember, the more people you refer, the more you actually get to earn from this system. So it's very, very simple, and this is simply the basic knowledge that you need to position yourself for this unique airdrop. All right, so I believe you got a value from the video. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. If you have any question, do let me have it on the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I believe you like it. Kindly do well to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Peace, and of course, do have a lovely day.